I'm telling you. That is, I'm gonna get a little 5-minute clip. All right, it's Joe Rizzo catching one. Whoa! All right, here, I'm trying to get out of the way. Yeah, you did, dude. Disaster. Hate to be out in your way. I'm trying to push off a little bit.
Robert? The sunfair mullet.
Yes, sir, buddy. Mr. Rizzo putting on a show out here. Yes, he is putting on a show.
Hey, mullet. About 36.
All right, man.
Nah, we're good. All right, no problem. I'm recording.
All right, got a
Hold
little
on, let me.
brown croaking drum here. Nice little feather. Yes, sir. Golden brown. Yes, sir. All right, here I go. Get you one of those brownies again. Yes, sir. You know what that jig is. Damn fast jig. Get you them. Dang look. Yes, sir. Good old guy here. This is where I'm at. Alright. These guys are so much fun, man, to pull. They pull and pull and pull. Alright. Look down off in there. Wow. Brick crushers. Look into the eye. What's up, buddy? Huh? Alright, let's get back. Don't know. There it is. Guess you can guess what I got on there. Huh? That bend in the rod. Just a bow. Man. Just a bow. Look at that weight. Come on, guys. Show your face. Show your face. Show your face that time. Oh, Lord. I think this is by far one of my biggest ones. Yes, sir. He's a biggie. Great braid. Black drum? Oh, okay. Got the Matthew. He didn't get the big black drum, but he sure did get a black drum. Well, I probably gotta put y'all in the open, in the There you go, buddy. You on? No, go ahead, Matthew. You get your. I'm gonna say. There you go. Let him pull you to the entrance. You got him going in the right direction. Oh, oh, are you going live? Oh, okay. I'm just recording. Just to let you know, big fish and small kayak. That's what you wanted, man. Yep. I know it, dog. Have you ever had a lap dance? Yeah. You gotta have your first lap dance. I done had plenty. If you don't mind getting slime, but if you don't want to get slime, I won't do it. Cause they don't come out of your clothes. Well, what we can do is we'll sandwich them. It's testing out your drag system. It does, man. Oh yeah. I done beat mine up so bad. The damn drag works sometime, and sometime it don't. Oh yeah, he's a nice golden brown, man. Yeah. He can't get on. He won't be able to get on my drawing. No, don't worry about me anymore. I'm keeping him from pulling you that way. Don't worry. Oh. Yeah, that don't have a float, does it? Dang on it. My bad, man. Oh, did you? Man. That was my bust, dude. I know it, they getting bad. I told you mosquitoes, they get bad here, dude. I'm talking about they are bad. Now I got mine, they in that crate. Yeah, you don't. See, I got 30 pound and 50 pound. I put a hurting on it. Ooh, Lord. Jeez, they killing me. He'll come up. I know he is, man. All right. He's trying to get up under my kayak. Yeah, he'll try to find some kind of structure. Man, by far one of the biggest ones I ever had. This is my kayak. And I think that guy's like maybe 50. Look at him. He is long. God. It was crazy, man, getting him through this stuff. Combat fishing at its best, baby. Look at there. All right, I'm out before I drop my phone. Yes, sir. There you go. All right. On my way. You gotta love some combat fishing. Look at these tight quarters. And poured up this big old monster. Where you at? Come on up here. Yes, sir. Count this little guy. Right here. He's big. Right here. Right there up under those lights right there. Look at that, they just busted. I think they all bulls. Alright. Hey Brock, I did. Come out here. This light probably won't be available once the ship come back, but hey, it's alright now. Now. Alright, take it easy, man. Tell me they don't like that spoon. There you go, that back. Oh my god. Woo! New favorite bait, Spoony G. Look this big old guy. He's about ready to go. But the current is taking me into this. Alright. But I'm gonna film the release. That way you know he got off doing good. There he is. He's a goner. These guys are biting. Nah, he is pretty. It shows how much fresh water is in there. They turn gold. Let's go ahead and release him back. Slide off, buddy. Just slide off. There you go. That's all I've been catching all day. We should be feeding everybody. How about it? Feed them. Let's go, dude. Come on back there. Come on back down. Alright, man, I just got this one. Pretty nice one. There we go, Stefan's on. Got him on his fish. Haha, nice little red. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at him, boy. I knew that was here. Woo, yours bigger than mine. He's green too, man. Right in front, 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 so it won't be in your drive. It's in your drive now? Yeah. Dang. How about now? Oh, it ain't. No, that ain't it. Here, yeah, just hold it. Pull it up. Oh, did it come on?
Oh, yeah, he did.
God damn. Ah! He choked it. They seem to like the glass mineral white trout. The buddy came out here and redeemed himself. Caught him 2 reds. Yes sir, man. I'm doing a little video first. Alright.
Just made it. Woo, off the water. Lord have mercy. Ooh, that was a serious race.